My name is Jose Rodriguez. I'm from the Bronx, New York. What made me want to come back is, honestly, I wanted to give back some of the information I've learned and also see what else I can gain from last year. I had a lot of momentum from all the sessions in the curriculum that I needed to double down. I wanted to come back just to get some more information and also give to those who were in my same seat last year. Yeah, it was really exciting. There's not many spaces where you see people like us in this space that are successful and that want to share what they've learned and their lessons. So really excited to see like who else I could glean from. Within the VIP sessions, just being able to be in a room with other people that, again, have more access to information and success stories, I think that's impacted me the most. Like home ownership just felt like so far away. Maybe 4 or 5 years ago, like I never imagined home ownership. For me, it felt so far-fetched that one of my ways of responding to the lack of access was like to not think about it. I felt the responsibility to think about legacy and to think about closing that racial wealth gap. And now I have access to that. The next closest thing that felt relevant to wealth building was real estate. It felt like a burden at first, but now it feels like a responsibility. Like the reality is you could get as much information as you want, but to put it into play, you can't do it by yourself. And there's something about being like rubbing shoulders with people who are not only just acquiring information, but are also like putting play into action, just like gives you the confidence to feel like you can do it too. And you're only able to experience that when you're there. It's more tangible when you're here in person. So for me, I'm like, I would encourage that person to just pull up and experience it for themselves, just to trust and verify, essentially.